Once again, a powerful emotional moment is making headlines from the South film and political world. A story that blends faith, family, and silent strength. This time, it's not about a movie release or a political rally, but about a mother's heartfelt gesture. That of Pawan Kalyan's wife, Anna Lesneva, who offered her hair at the Tirumala Tirupati temple. But this act isn't just about religious ritual, it's about gratitude for a miracle. A miracle named Mark Shankar Pavanovich, Anna and Pavan Kalyan's son, who recently survived a life threatening accident in Singapore. For those unfamiliar, a few weeks ago, a massive fire incident took place at Mark's school in Singapore. Initial reports were terrifying: flames, injuries, chaos, and among the affected children was Pavan Kalyan's son. The family remained quiet, but insiders revealed how critical the situation had been. A mother's worst fear had come true, but what followed felt nothing short of a divine intervention. Mark survived, recovered, and is now back home safe with his family. So, this visit to Tirumala wasn't just a pilgrimage, it was a mother's emotional thank you. Anna Lesneva, who follows Orthodox Christianity, still signed a declaration at the temple expressing her belief in Lord Venkateshwara. That's a mandatory step before a non Hindu devotees can offer their prayers there. After that, she walked into the Padmavati Kalyan Katta, sat down, and had her head tonsured, a powerful act of surrender and faith. The visual went viral. Anna, calm and dignified with a shaved head and folded hands. This visual went viral. Anna, calm and dignified with a shaved head and folded hands, sitting quietly amidst other devotees. No airs, no security drama, no press coverage from the family, just pure silent devotion. And the reactions, overwhelming support. Social media, often quick to judge, responded with respect. People called it graceful, emotional, and inspiring. Even Pavan Kalyan's brother and megastar Chiranjeevi came forward. He said, Mark's survival is a divine miracle. The Lord stood by us during this difficult time. For Anna, this wasn't about religion, it was about gratitude, a personal offering to a power greater than us. And for the public, it was a reminder: faith knows no barriers. Orthodox Christians or a Hindu, in that moment, she was just a mother. And it's not the first time Anna has stood out. From being a low key figure in Pawan's life to raising their children with dignity away from limelight, she is often admired for her grace. But this moment has now etched her presence deeper into public memory. As for young Mark, he is safe, recovering, and hopefully returning to normalcy soon. But this incident will always be remembered, not just for the accident but for the way this family chose to respond. At a time when headlines are full of controversies, boycotts, and chaos, this story reminds us of how something rare: faith, humility, and the silent strength. Now, if you like this story, do subscribe and follow the Free Press Journey and share your views on the comments.